Hello, this is a step-by-step guide to work with this visual. So first of all, you have two options to import your XER files. First option is direct input from here. Second option is using OneDrive or SharePoint or local drive. So here, the first option, when you click import, you have here your files. So you can simply just select both files and you can just click open and both files will be open in front of you. So this is the first way to do so. Second way is if you have your files saved in a location, so basically what you need to do, you go here, you transform, and here you'll find something called XER folder path. So all what I need to do is to copy this path and paste it here and make sure I remove the coating, and now it's done. If you're working with in another Power BI file, you have to go here and copy this code and put it in a blank query. From here, new source, blank query, and add this code. That's all. Once you have it, then you can go here. Let's see, this is your, now it's updating. Once I do this, I can click a new one. All what I need to do, go to my files here and drag the XER files here and drag here the XER project name, and here I will add the project name. So now, oh sorry, it's the other way around. So here, once I have all this, now all the data is reading directly from my files. Now I have here, this is a project overview, so I have an overview of all my projects. I can see the WBS structure, activities, and everything. I have options to collapse and expand all of them. I have option to filter based on all these options, and I can filter based on a specific level. So if I want to make it any level I want. Second one is a Gantt chart. Let me open this up for you so you can see it. So for the Gantt chart, you can see here all the projects. You can see, you can also change this one. You can change here. You can fit to size. So all the options are available for you. This is a dashboard, so you can see a screenshot, or I would say a snapshot of the project regarding the types, status, criticality, completion date, and all the important information you need to know. This is a DCMA 14-point check, so you have it as well. And here, this is the both projects are available for you, so you can see each of them individually. This is the histogram, so you have both projects available. So if I selected one of them and I wanted to see the equipment, for example, let's pick the labor, and I wanted to see on monthly basis, I'll just fit to size, so I see now everything I need. This is the S-curve for the project. So if I clear selection, I select this project, so I can see the S-curve on monthly basis. So this is the look ahead, so you can see 3-week look ahead. I can change the project to be 2 projects or 1 project. So this project is done. So let's pick this project only. I can make it 14 days only, so I have all the options I need for the look ahead. For the cash flow, I have these 2 projects in the cash flow. I can just see one of them. So this is a filter here. Here, if you have 2 projects, one here, and this is the baseline, this is the update, and this is the baseline, you can add them. You can go here to your project and investigate whether there is a delay or not in your project. This is a calendar view, so you can view all the calendars. You can first select the project and then select the calendar. You can see the working days and the exceptions, and also you see how many working days and working hours in each project. This is the last one. This is the resources. So you have here a resource tab to see all the resources for your project. So you can identify the overload and the high load or the normal. And by the way, all these options are editable for you. Just for instance, if you go here, you find each section, each panel has its own one. So this is the project overview, and each one of them, this is the Gantt chart and everything. And in the main layout, you can, if you want to remove this, if you want to report it, so you can remove it as well. So it's done here. For example, if you go to the resources, I will show you this just for a sample. You'll find here, this is the threshold. So you can even edit this threshold, and it will be updated automatically. So please feel free to ask me any question you want, and I'll be glad to answer.